Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one-eyed Great Dane, back with day 211 Star Drop opening. So we should be on day 11 of the Brawl Together event as well. So that means we have roughly 3 more days of the double Star Drops, even though there unfortunately isn't any more milestones to hit. We will at least have that to enjoy. And of course, you know, the coin shower, the Mastery Madness also helps. So let's see what we have.
Mythic!
And with a Mythic, 500 points.
Rare.
That's a rare. 50 points.
Rare.
Another rare. 25 power points.
Rare.
Another rare. 50 points.
Super rare.
Super rare. 100 points.
Super rare.
And super rare. For 100 coins. Let's see what we got going on in the shop. Okay, now this is something I've been thinking about. So, if I were to get this many XP doublers, it would definitely be more than I would need for the rest of the coin shower event. But if I were to buy these XP doublers, in essence, am I not actually trying to buy additional star drops? Because, let me think about this realistically, right? So, once we get to the final tier of the Brawl Pass here, it goes up from, I want to say 950 to either 1,500 or 1,600. So getting this offer is actually a lot more like, let me see, getting an additional 10 star drops for 59 gems, assuming I do all the other quests like I usually do. So I'm trying to determine if that's good. I mean, it literally is 7 times the value. Definitely, because that is a metric ton of XP doubles. But do I really want it is the question. And I'm having a hard time deciding because, again, it is 59 gems. I hate to say I've already spent nearly 100 gems on XP doublers, so I'm trying to think that one through. Again, I'd like to hear what you guys have to say in the comments about this much XP doublers. So as of today, I'm at 60 XP doublers and 15 coins for the daily freebie. Let me make sure there's nothing else. Again, we still have the Brawl Together event, where apparently if you... Again, they never said anything about what happens after you hit the milestone, but apparently every time you have... what was the word? Like participated, but... contributed, that's the one. So every day that you contributed to the amount, you would get entered into some million gems giveaway, and like, I want to say 30 people. Again, it's outlined in the video, but now that we've actually reached all the milestones, is it still going on? Like, I'm not sure. Again, I'd like to hear what you guys have to say in the comments, because honestly, I can't say for sure. Again, if you guys want to possibly have additional entries, I'd still log on and at least complete like your daily quest or something, because you know we have all the coin shower token doubler events going on anyway. So actually, not token doubler, I don't actually think token doubler is going on this time around. I think it's just coin shower and Mastery Madness. So again, it's just a good time to be in Brawl Stars. But as of today, I have 4,300 XP doublers and 27,699 power points, which again is just painful to look at, but surely they're gonna fix it eventually, right? Because nobody needs that many power points. Yeah, just let me know what you guys are thinking of the event so far, and let's see if I can take this.